What's happening YouTube? It's your boy techtrx back with another video, and today I have a new toy so that I can improve the video quality for you guys on our YouTube channel. So today we're looking at the Panasonic LUMIX G9 DC-G9, and basically with this DSLR mirrorless camera, I'll be able to record up to 4K 60 frames per second. Let's go ahead and open it up. Of course, as soon as you open it up, it'll show all the upsell that they want to give you, all the accessories for these new cameras. I also got a 15mm from DJI lens f1.7. So this will give us the smooth and buttery feel of cinematics for our next videos to come. Now let's go ahead and take off the literature. Maybe I won't use this, maybe I will. In this case, we'll just put on the side for now and open up what's available or what they gave us included in the box. First off is the charging cable. Of course, they gave us charging cable to charge our Panasonic G9. Unfortunately, this is not USB-C just yet. I don't know why they would put USB-C on the GH5 and not on the G9. In this case, this is still a micro USB. As you could see there, the next thing we have is the battery and also the battery charger separated from the Panasonic G9 body. So in this case, you'll be able to buy different batteries, more than one for your Panasonic G9, and you'll be able to just charge it on the wall. LUMIX G9 strap, which probably we won't need, so I'll just put that on the side. Now this is the camera body. Let's open it up. And there we go. A very beautiful Panasonic LUMIX G9. Now let me tell you a little background. My old camera is a Pentax K5, which I've had for about 10 years now. All I've been using for the YouTube channel is the iPad and also DJI Osmo Pocket. So this is a very nice upgrade coming from those devices. This will give us the bokeh shots and little cinematics shots here and there as well. Now, if you don't already know, the Panasonic G9 is a micro four thirds sensor. So basically, this would have a crop sensor about half of the full frame sensors. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the ports that is included within the Panasonic G9. Here on the side is the charging port, micro USB, like I said earlier, but it also has a full-size HDMI on the side, a headphone jack, and also a mic jack. So that's pretty cool. The G9 is also weather sealed, so when you're looking at extreme weathers like snow or rain, this is a perfect one to use. On the side as well, it comes with dual SD cards up to UHS 2, so up to 300 megabytes read and write. The side LCD swivels as well. It's great for vlogging. It's also touch sensitive, so you'll be able to touch everything on the screen, including the settings on your camera. You can also swivel it back in away so that it'll be protected from getting scratched when it's inside the case. Now let's go ahead and put on the battery. The battery that it uses is a DMW BLF19. Basically, it's an 1800 milliamp hour battery. So it's good for 400 images on a single charge. In Canada, the pricing of the G9 is $2,200 when it first came out. Today, you can get it up to $1,500 Canadian. But when we got this, it was on sale, so I was able to get it for $1,300. Now, here are the specs for the G9. Now let's go ahead and test out our Panasonic G9. Here we go. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching my unboxing and initial review of Panasonic G9. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that like button below, hit that notification bell and subscribe button. Comment below if you're what kind of camera you use, if you're okay with micro four thirds. Are you a Panasonic fan just like me? I hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you guys below. Have a good day and stay grateful. Peace. Today's sponsor. With Bonus VPN, you'll be able to change your region on your Netflix and watch all the shows you want. Check out the link down in the description below.